How to turn on Instagram autoplay. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to turn on Instagram autoplay. So with no further ado, let's get into this. So first is you have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in Instagram. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Instagram is updated. And now if your application is already updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So all you have to do is to go to back to your home and home page and then open Instagram. And here, as you can see, my Instagram video autoplay is already on. Or for example, you are scrolling through your videos and if it's still not autoplaying, that may mean that you have turned on the data saver. So Instagram actually don't have any autoplay option. They could just lessen the data that you are using to autoplay the video. So all you have to do is to go to your profile and on the upper right here you will see three dash lines. You click on that and then go to settings. Now next is you may want to go to your account and scroll all the way down till you see your cellular data usage. Now if it's not auto-playing, it may mean that your data saver is actually turned on, so you may want to turn that off. And basically, it will then autoplay immediately all the videos on your feed like this. It autoplays directly. And basically that is it. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.